The Sonos One is the first ever smart speaker made by Sonos, but unlike other smart speakers, this one actually sounds great. So the first thing that you will notice about the Sonos One is that it looks very similar to the Play One. In fact, it has nearly the exact same design, same shape, same weight, all of that. The one main difference between the Play One and this guy is that it supports Amazon Alexa. Of course, if you are a Google Assistant fan, that will be coming in the near future. This was verified by Sonos and it should be coming in 2018. Another feature that has been verified to be coming in the near future is AirPlay 2 for this guy, which means you'll be able to use the Sonos One with your iPhone, connect it seamlessly, as well as connect it to other speakers such as the Apple HomePod, as well as your Apple TV. Now when it comes to the sound quality of the speaker, Sonos has certainly hit a home run on this one. If you've ever tried out the Play One, it's nearly identical and there's really nothing wrong with that. The quality is excellent, there's a good level of bass and treble, and it's a perfect sounding speaker for any room in your house. One downside though is that if you already have a Play One speaker, this cannot be paired for stereo sound. You need two Play Ones or two Sonos Ones. They cannot be interchanged with each other. Now, as I said before, the Sonos One is compatible with Amazon's Alexa voice assistant, so you can ask it questions like what's the weather, what's the temperature of day, or just random questions. Here are a few examples. Alexa, what is the weather?
Right now in Toronto, it's 8 degrees Celsius with clear skies and sun. Tonight's forecast has just a few clouds in the sky, with a low of 3 degrees.
Alexa, how far is the moon?
The moon's distance is 384,403 kilometers.
Alexa, what is the smallest country in the world?
The smallest sovereign state is Vatican City.
And finally, another great feature about Sonos is the app. The app allows you to connect all of your speakers together in different rooms so you can play the music wherever you want in your entire house. It has all the different services that you can use directly onto the app, and it allows you to stream music directly from Spotify to your Sonos devices. Getting the app for your Sonos ecosystem is definitely a good idea. Now, if you guys are thinking of purchasing a Sonos device, the Sonos One is definitely the one to go for. It is the newest device, of course. It is integrated with smart assistants, and its excellent sound quality makes it one of the best speakers to buy. My name is Vortex City. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll see you guys in the next one.